Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue through the city of Huntsville, Alabama on US Highway 72 westbound, beginning at mile marker 99 and counting down. Here we turn left at a single-point urban interchange for US 72 to run alongside US Highways 231 and 431 South Memorial Parkway. However, US 72 doesn't share pavement with these other two highways, which run in an expressway/frontage road configuration. US 72 runs strictly on the frontage road, although it is possible to jump on then back off of the controlled access lanes bypassing the traffic light at Oakwood Avenue. Here we make a right onto University Avenue. The street name refers to the University of Alabama in Huntsville, which is about 2 miles ahead on the left. UAH is a public research university with an enrollment of approximately 10,000. In May 1968, the University of Alabama in Tuscaloosa awarded its first undergraduate degree to UAH students during the spring commencement ceremony. Just a year later, the University of Alabama System Board of Trustees made the decision to establish UAH as an independent and self-governing campus. UAH boasts a comprehensive array of academic programs, offering a total of 89 degree-granting options. These include 44 bachelor's degree programs, 30 master's degree programs, and 15 PhD programs, all housed within its 9 distinct colleges: arts, humanities and social sciences, business, education, engineering, honors, nursing, professional and continuing studies, science, and graduate. The university's largest single major is nursing, although the engineering college holds the distinction of being the largest. UAH is also home to an honors college that furnishes an enriched academic and community experience for undergraduates across various fields of study. Given the technology-driven economy of Huntsville, UAH has garnered recognition for its engineering and science offerings, notably in areas such as astrophysics, atmospheric science, aerospace engineering, cybersecurity, and digital animation. UAH has played a significant role in scientific and technological advancements. Notably, UAH scientists were at the helm of the first commercial non-rocketry programs in the U.S., namely CONSORT and JOUST. The university can also lay claim to the discovery of the first high-temperature superconductor. Furthermore, UAH made history by conducting the inaugural U.S. experiment aboard the Soviet Mir space station. As a space grant university, UAH has cultivated a strong partnership with NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center and the U.S. Army Aviation and Missile Command at Redstone Arsenal. This collaboration extends to sharing NASA's research and technology with educational institutions across Alabama. On its sprawling 505-acre campus, UAH houses the National Space Science and Technology Center, one of 17 cutting-edge research centers. The university's Propulsion Research Center, established by Dr. Clark W. Hawk in 1991, serves as a hub for interdisciplinary research opportunities for both graduate and undergraduate students. The PRC's work has provided support to entities such as NASA, the U.S. Department of Defense, and the U.S. Department of Energy, encompassing areas like air breathing and electric propulsion, combustion using various propellants, magneto-inertial fusion, high-temperature materials, and space and terrestrial power systems. Research in nanotechnology and microfabrication finds its home in the Nano and Micro Devices Center, while the NSSTC and SWIRLL buildings serve as headquarters for atmospheric sciences and related research pursuits. We conclude today's video at mile marker 88 as we enter the city of Madison. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 or more a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.